Attention! Language focus. Kids, let's read the given words with their meanings. Transport, traffic, traffic jam.
Teacher, what is the meaning of transport?
Transport mean is a vehicle. Kids, now tell me what is the meaning of traffic?
Traffic meaning is moving vehicle.
Kids, what is the meaning of traffic jam?
Vehicle stuck on the road.
Learning to spell. Kids, let's fill in the missing letters to complete the words. R, O, A, D. Road. Kids, now your turn.
L, I, G, H, T, S. Lights. T, R, A, N, S, P, O, R, T. Transport. T, R, A, V, E, L. Travel. R, U, L, E. Rule.
Good job. Grammar. Kids, we all know about the possessive pronouns. Can you tell me what is the possessive pronoun? Some words are used to show ownership are called possessive pronouns. For example, his, her, their, our, etc. Kids, read the given sentences and find the words to show possession. Mariam likes her new dress. In this sentence, her is a possessive pronoun. Kids, now your turn.
She is my mother. This ball is his. That car is ours. That house is theirs. In these sentences, my, his, ours, and theirs are possessive pronouns.
Very good. Excellent. Kids, let's learn some prepositions, position words. Position words are used to tell the position or place of nouns. For example, to, up, on, under, in, etc. Kids, let's answer the simple questions and find the position words. Where is the chair?
There is a chair to the left of the table.
Where is the boy?
The boy is climbing up the tree.
Where is the book?
The book is on the table.
Where is the egg?
The egg is in the nest.
Where is the ball?
The ball is under the table. To, up, on, in, under is the preposition or position words.
Creative writing. Learning to write. Let's read the following dialogues.
Hello Fatima, when did you come back to Lahore? Hi Mariam. Yes, I came back yesterday. Which transport did you use? I came by train.
Activity. Kids, think and complete your own dialogue in the given speech bubbles. For example, Hi Amna, where are you going? Creative writing. Kids, let's read the information about the given signs and write some road safety rules in your notebook.
Stop. No parking. No overtaking. No littering. Please do not litter.
Very good. Now write some road safety rules in your notebook at home. Thank you. Happy learning.